It's the last day of April 2026 and I'm walking in Battersea Park when I just noticed something for the first time. I've been walking in this park for more than a decade, and this is the first time I've noticed this giant, humongous bird in front of me. Can you see it? You might not be able to see it immediately, but look at the shape of the trees in the night sky, the silhouette. So starting from ahead of us is Chelsea Bridge. Can you see the beak almost touching the edge of the bridge? And then the head, and then the body, the wings maybe stretched out a little bit, or maybe it's the shape of an insect. Maybe that's what that is, but can you see the shape of the bird? That's the head, the beak zooming out of the head towards the wings, the folded wings, and the rest of the body of the bird. Or is it an insect? Maybe a praying mantis with its elbows sticking out. No, let's stick with the bird. I see a giant bird with its beak just touching. I have just noticed this shape, and it kind of reminds me of the drinking dragon of Durdledor in Weymouth. I have a video about that too. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that. It's the end of April 2026. It's May from tomorrow. And I've just noticed a giant bird that's been here all this time. Thank you for watching. Bye.